what's really going on. Drain the lizard. Ugh. Ugh. Check this out, dudes. Gonna have a smancy pants just friggin' layer in inwood. Probably. Ready for paint.
You're just gonna put them all together and roll them Humpty Bumpus?
Humpty Bumpus?
In the wall. Turn them over so they're half-ass flat.
So we can top. What if you put it on the floor though? Because then it doesn't topple off the floor.
Well, yeah, but then you gotta bend way down.
Well, yeah, but you're gonna kick it anyway.
I'll probably step in it. Can't help it. It's in the blood.
Just brain damage? It's in the blood? Let me stick this dirty old rod down the shaft here. Oh yeah. That's nice. Oh, it's super cool. Look at where they put the handle on this stupid thing.
You don't have to be smart to put a lid on a pail. Comes from the factory like that. Buddy gets paid $3.50 an hour to put them lids on. He doesn't give a crap whether it lines up with the handle or not. As long as the lid's on there, snap tight, good. Done, boss.
Right.
Next one.
Mighty good work.
Covering the wheel nuts.
I'll give her a thrice coat on. Like a wild animal with that thing.
Oh, do you want to spend all day doing it or get her
Look, I don't want to wear it.
Get her done.
It's like flinging it off like a sprinkler for face.
Oh,
It's not watering the lawn.
let's just gonna suck it in it. Like by the time we get up there and come back down here, it's not even gonna look like we did anything.
It'll be back to wood.
Pretty much, yeah. I'm telling you. I done a lot of painting of this kiln drying pressure treated, not even pressure treated, just kiln dried lumber.
Yeah, well, look, this is kill paint.
Oh, kills paint.
Yeah, it's the stuff, but. Oh, shit.
Oh, nice one.
That's my quality piece.
One for the brush right there. What about down the sides? You just gonna turn them? Just because there's quite a drip here and here. Somebody got over there.
Somebody got
paint brush.
8 gallons of paint between.
Somebody was painting that with a paintbrush.
Right.
Then after I got gas yesterday, I'm trying to think of what was it? Oh yeah, full flavored cigarettes in a bag. Yeah, look at me. Well, no, not for me. What do I know? I said, I think he said there were $15 or something. She just handed me those. I don't even know. I don't know. Whatever. That's what they gave me. Look how dirty the floor is.
What do you mean?
Uh-oh.
What? Floor dirt?
Getting my drop sheets all dirty.
You'll have to wash them in Mom's washing machine.
You'll have to wash them out of the laundry mat.
What do you mean? Oh, I need a screwdriver for that.
Oh no.
What'd you fucking do now?
Paint on the boot. Shake.
Are you ambidextrous?
Oh. It's giving me a cricket.
No.
Plus it's hurt on my toes.
Oh, great. Did you bring the night all?
How about you do the bottom and I'll stand up nice and straight. And... No?
Sure.
Okay. Here we go again. Hang on with my 65.
Get all the fucking weight labors out of you I can before you
Call it elder abuse.
or your fucking tailbone expires.
You okay?
Oh, I know it was a bit of a fucking attack.
Scared.
I just had a bit of an attack if you didn't notice.
Hurt test for the old guy?
Right.
What's coming apart?
The roller.
Oh. Well, that's what happens when you buy dollar store shit.
That's not dollar store shit, that's fucking Sherman Williams or fucking
Sherman
Calvin
Williams.
Klein or some fucking thing.
Oh my goodness.
Fucking warm.
Oh yeah.
Probably fucking maybe consider opening this door.
Oh.
It's even fucking warmer out there. Good fucking golly, Mr. Molly. Careful! You're elderly as fuck, dude. mud all out of your truck for you?
Want me to what?
Get your mud all out of your truck for you?
Might all.
Mud all. Let's relieve cramps and shit or something. In your uterus. Holy
Well, you gotta let it dry a minute.
Well, we still got to paint down here too. You forgot all this shit. We just up and abandoned the fucking trims. I apologize. I apologize for abandoning the trims.